Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today is going to be a beginner's eye makeup video, eyeshadow video, just the eye look basically and the lips, and I give you two lip options in this video, so I do hope you guys enjoyed that. I'm going to be using my Morphe 3502 palette in this video, and I don't know if you're sick of it, but it's going to be okay because I'm going to get more stuff. I'm not going to stop buying stuff because that is just rude. Don't ever stop me from buying makeup. Don't do that. But yes, I hope you guys enjoy the video. This is for all my beginners out there who don't necessarily want to do the crazy stuff. I think that this is wearable, it's doable, and whether you want to glam the lashes up or just do a more wispy lash or a natural lash or just no lashes at all, just rock your lashes, put some mascara on, that is cool as well. I do that quite often, so I feel you on that. But I do hope you guys enjoy the video. Be sure to subscribe before the video even starts. You know what I'm saying? Just don't even wait to the end. Just be confident that if you've never been here before and this is your first time seeing me, that you love me. Alright? And that you want to come back. Just go ahead and assume it. Speak it. Speak it to the atmosphere. And just go ahead and subscribe. You're loved here. So I hope you guys enjoy the video and let's get right into it. Alright guys, so to start off, first of all, I don't have my paper for the names in the 3502, but I'm going to tell you what row going down, and then I'm going to tell you the shade across. You know what I'm saying? Number. That's how we're going to go. So, 4th row, 5th shadow. And that's the main brown that I really use. Like if you were to see my palette, it's the deepest, that's for gosh darn sure. But we're just going to take that brown and we're going to work that into the crease without dragging it out this way. We're just going to keep it rounded. And for the shade after, I'm switching to another fluffy brush. And we're going to go to the, which one? 3rd row, 3rd shadow. And since I have hooded eyes, it's basically on top of the first shadow we placed and then right under it, which basically is my lid. So now we're going to the start of the show, which is this bright color you see here peeking above the black line, and that is the 2nd row, 3rd shadow. And when you see it, you'll know it's neon. And we're going to pack that on the mobile lid. And this look is easy, and it's easy for beginners with hooded eyes because it works. Number one, it works for anything glam, chilling. It works based on the colors you use. You can switch up your color pattern and use a darker one, a mid one, and then the bright one for the mobile lid, and you'll be set. I'm really into shadow. I wasn't before. I'm really just a complexion girl. I like complexion products, but shadows have just really been trying to grab me, so I've just been learning more about it. I've been doing a lot of research. I've been learning from a lot of people. And yeah, it's going pretty well. So now I'm just going to go in with all 3. Adding, taking away, adding, taking away, until you just get that blend you desire. It's all about your personal preference. The 2nd shade that I used, I'm actually going to use that to blend out the edge a little bit up on top of our transition shade, which is that really deep brown, just to make sure that's blended really well. I'm going to take a clean fluffy brush and I'm just going to dust my fallout away. Next step, I'm just going to take my L'Oreal Superstar liner and I'm just going to create a black line up on top here. And now for lashes, these are the same lashes that I used in my last video, the Jasmine Browns, the glamorous ones. Now you can do your preference of lashes. I think a flurry lash is always good. Y'all know I love the 614s from Salon Perfect. But today I'm just going to use these lashes only because this is the only lashes your girl got. Your girl ain't got no more lashes. I ain't bought no more. I ain't went to the store. So just give me a second. I'm going to put these on. I'll be right back. Alright, now that the lashes are on, I'm going in and I'm using the darkest shade in the palette. It's not the black, but the next one. So last row, 6th shade. Okay? I'm going to use that, and on my lower lash line, I'm taking this small angled brush and I'm putting it right on my lower lash line. And taking our Star of the Show shade, which was the second row third shadow, I'm taking it on a flat brush, much smaller. I'm probably cross-eyed right now. I'm just gonna put this right under it, peeking through. And then I'm gonna top it off with the lower lash mascara. Alright, so I have two lip options. I have like a more nude one, more subtle, and then I have a more bold one, more glossy. Alright, I'm gonna start off with the bold one just to let you guys know what it is. This is a Vivid Hot Lacquer from Maybelline, and man, I used to wear this a lot. Like I feel like I wore this in a lot of pictures on my Insta. For real. This is a 74 Retro. The name of it is Retro, and it's a dark chocolate glossy lacquer. Just so it's like a chocolate brown, you know, Egyptian vibes, Nubian goddess snack, you know. The only thing I hate about it is it gets on my teeth a lot, and I don't know if that's because I got big old lips or because y'all know I got crooked teeth. So I just be like, you know what I'm saying? So this is Retro, the Maybelline lip lacquer. And the next lip color I actually used in my last video. This is the Black Radiance matte lip cream, and this is the 5405 color. This is a great color. I don't know, I've been using it for such a long time, and I don't know why my last video was the first time I ever used it on my channel, but this will just always be, oh my god. And of course you can always go with the new gloss, but it's just more subtle lip. It's like a dusty, cool tone type of purplish vibe, kind of. But yes, peeps, this is the finished look. I do hope you guys enjoy. Please subscribe if you did, and give it a thumbs up if you just want to see more, and subscribe if you want to see more. You're welcome here. All people, all color, all shapes, all sizes. Everyone can come and just hang out. I do hope that you enjoyed this look. I'm more on the beginner side when it comes to shadow than I am on the whole other side. To be honest, I enjoy looks like this more than the dramatic ones, because I know good and well this is what I'd rather wear than something crazy, like out there cuts. And just, although I enjoy those looks, I would probably walk out of the house with this first. So beginners, like, this is doable. But I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys. Hold on. Highlight, don't go overboard. Overboard already. Everybody should do it. Hey. Girl, your highlight too bright.